So, where are we, darling?
Historic countertop, Berkshire, which is
Walbury Hill, which is just up there. Not to be confused with one down there. So where are we?
We are at Walbury Hill, and there's somebody else here.
Walking up slowly, give them a chance to touch the trig point.
Bag it.
That's a nice hill over there.
Oh yeah, I wonder who maybe walked to the top of that hill.
Just on our way to the top of Walbury Hill, which is the historic county top of
I can't remember that!
Berkshire, possibly. Then we'll be going over to Pilot Hill, which is the historic county top of Hampshire.
I think that's the right way around. It's two anyway.
Historic county top of Berkshire, I think. Walbury Hill. So, other people doing county tops. Look out for my video. Hit the subscribe and like button.
Berkshire. Historic countertop of Berkshire.
Which is what I said.
Yes, so you did well.
Hampshire. And over there somewhere is where we were earlier.
Stop doing things to my brain.
Milk Hill, which is the historic county top of Wiltshire. So Cheryl's now going to jump. We're en route to Pilot Hill. Cheryl fancies doing this one quite quickly. There's these orientation markers. I don't know whether they're here for the route, but they seem to be all the way along. So if you do come this way, if you see those, you're probably not far off. So, Pilot Hill, up here. What are we doing, darling?
Hampshire. We're trespassing to get to the Hampshire historic county top.
We are walking up the tractor track. Don't tell Cheryl what we've actually walked past the trig point. There's the trig point. This is pretty much it, darling. Where are we?
The historic county top of Hampshire, Pilot Hill. And it is absolutely stunning, but we raced some people up here, so no, I can't do it.
Definitely stood in a dip. Oxfordshire. Rest of Hampshire. Cheryl. That's Berkshire, that way.
That way.